We will now see how to connect a stop push button to the control board. The stop is a safety device, so it needs to be a normally closed contact. All safety devices like photocell or safety edge and the stop need to be normally closed contacts. What we have here is a pre-wired sample push button. They can be of different kinds. It's just an example to show you the connection in the video. So the terminal block number 2 is the contact for the stop. We are gonna wire it to terminal block number 2. Then the other cable has to be connected to the terminal block of common, which is together with the common of the limit switch connection. So we are going to remove limit switch cable, and we are going to put the two cables together. And wire them properly to the terminal block. Okay. We can check now if the push button is working by checking if the display shows ST.